Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your device supports Memoji and you have messages ready. Once done, open Messages and select a conversation or tap plus to create one. Next, tap the App Store icon next to the Compose field, then choose the Memoji or Animoji icon so you can create or access an existing Memoji. This gets you into the right tool quickly. We skip obvious setup and move straight to creating and using your Memoji in a chat. Now customize your Memoji by tapping plus and working through skin tone, hair, eyes, and accessories. This is where personality happens. Use the color pickers and sliders to adjust details precisely, because consistent features make stickers and animated clips read better. Once you save a version, test it with the front camera in the Animoji panel to check likeness and expressions. Make small tweaks, save again. And remember, consistent lighting and simple accessories help the face tracking perform. Finish by recording or sending your Memoji. Hold the red record button to capture voice and movement, or tap a sticker to insert it into the Compose field. Drag to place inside a bubble before sending. You can also copy stickers to other apps via the sticker keyboard. If things go wrong, first restart your iPhone and confirm iOS is up to date. Next, check camera and microphone permissions for messages. These steps fix most tracking or audio issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.